Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a birthday card that doesn't look beautiful. It plays music when you open it. Actually, not open it, you have to press a button. But spoiler alert! I totally messed up the first time. My circuit is too big, it couldn't fit inside. Don't worry, I will fix that later. Okay, let's get started. First, let's make the card. I am using some thick cardboard paper. Fold it in half to create the base of the card. Now decorate it however you like. Use markers, stickers, glitter or even printed photos. This part is totally up to your creativity. Basically, this is the part where you can't go wrong unless you glue your fingers together. Let's prepare the sound circuit. I thought using a small melody IC that plays the happy birthday tune, like BJ1562 IC. Unfortunately, I got FT660 IC. It sounds different, but not that bad. This is the circuit that you have to build. Okay, let's put everything together. Is it too big? Let's try to fit inside this brick somehow. Something went wrong, guys. I can feel it. I built a sound circuit for car, but it turned out like this. I mean, look at this. It's bigger than the car. Imagine trying to fit this inside. No, it's not really happening. This was never going to fit inside the car. Imagine giving this to someone. Happy birthday, here is your card. Oh, it comes with a brick inside. Not the best idea. Not, no. So I redesigned everything. Instead of making it separate, I built the entire circuit inside the card. Much smarter. I used two 1.5 volt small batteries for this time. Originally, I wanted a fancy open close switch, so the music would play automatically when you open the card. But honestly, my version didn't work properly. So instead, I used a normal push switch inside. You just press here. Boom, the song plays. Simple but effective. And there it is. A musical birthday card that looks great, sings a tone, and fits perfectly inside. From giant fail to a working design with a normal switch. Thanks for watching, guys. This was a fun project, even with the mistakes, but it works. And that's the fun of DIY. You learn as you go. Have you ever had DIY fail? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment and share. And subscribe for more fun projects.